Alright guys, my Mini Cooper's been broken for the past 2.5 weeks. I'm gonna start by taking out the headlight first, taking off the valve cover, see what's underneath there, see how bad it is. I'm thinking most likely it's just a bad tensioner because it's rattling. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Hooking up my light. This thing's older than me, believe it or not. So now we have a good light source. Okay. I'm gonna start by taking off this headlight. It should be a 10mm. You got a connector up here. You just use your fingers. You got to push up and bottom at the same time. Slides right out. Okay. Headlights are out. I believe that is a 35 Torx. Oh, only a 37. Yeah. All right. Guess. Do I need to take that off? Probably. Let's see. So there's some pins up here. That pops right off. There we go. Okay, these are the ignition coils. Don't mess this up. Okay. I gotta take this off and out of the way. So that should be as simple as popping that out. There's a clip here. Goes like this. Another 10mm. Let me get that out real quick. Cool. I don't want to lose any of my screws or anything, so I'm putting everything back in the corresponding holes if I can, so that I don't mess any of this up. That's the crankcase breather hose. Gotta take this off. Move this airbox out of the way. So that's your 10mm. Right here. And that should come out. Twist that out. Yeah, there we go. Goes there. So. It's off. There's that. This out. There's another clip over here. I need to get out. There we go. So that's the airbox. So I'll tape that to that so I don't lose it. Okay. And this comes out like so. There's this plastic bit right here that pops out too, right by the headlight. That clips onto this, like so. Boom. Now I need to unhook this so that slides up. Unplug the brake sensors. I'm gonna try to leave them in there because I think they're a part of the valve cover. I know where those go. That goes like that. Okay. So now I need to get this out of the way. Air intake is off. Okay. Just disconnect it from the hose clamp right here. Okay, I'm gonna get some tape, label these so that I don't mess this up. Alright, let's do that. I already popped out the clips. Now I'm taking out the screws. I think there's another one down here. It's a 10mm. I don't have any here, do I? Yes, I do. Phillips. Cool. Alright. I don't know who that is, I don't care. Whee! There goes water. Okay, so that stays there and there. Okay. That's that, that's that, that's that. Okay. Okay. Phillips 10mm. Okay. Some 10mm down here. Well, what's left of it? Okay, so now this should pop right out, I believe. Is there anything else holding it? No? Is there another clip? Okay, there's one right there. So that's part of it. Cool. Little Phillips, and then it pops right out. Grab my clip tool. Pop. Cool. Bag. Now, I should come. ¿Ah? Sí, eso tiene que ser mío. Is there another one hidden up there? I don't know. Yeah, cheeky. There's another one right here. Cheeky little buggers. Cool. Hope you guys can see what I'm seeing. I got a GoPro strapped on my head. This whole video is probably going to be GoPro footage. That slides out. There we go. That side. Boom. And there we go. My wheelhouse is a little bit beat up from rubbing. So wheelhouse liner's out. I got that part labeled. Now I'm going to label the other ones. Make sure I don't lose any sockets or anything. These are all for the wheelhouse. There's my tape. Cool. See the mess of wires. Okay. So it'll be worn. I think I have to pop these out with a screwdriver. Yeah. Something like that. What is it from this side? There we go. And then I should be able to lift this up. Okay. Just to unplug it. So that's one. And then I have to like twist these up or something like that. Boom. That's two. Also label these while I'm at it. I do not want to mess any of this up. Corner ones are a pain. 4. I'm gonna get another Ziploc bag, put those in it. 3. That's weird. And then 4.
The sensor?
Okay, already broke them all loose. Yeah, it heats up the coolant so it doesn't freeze. But I don't have that option.
Can't you add it? Like
No, it's the same part number. No. Not on this car.
So you just cut it off?
Yeah, I just cut the cable off like everybody else.
Oh, it won't damage it?
No. These have red Loctite on them? Okay. I think I have to remove the spark plugs. It's freaking low. Thank you.
What are you doing that for?
There's some stuff in there. Alright.
Fingers?
Huh? Yeah.
Like your fingers?
Yep.
You got one here.
No, that's for the cam sensor. Okay. We need to find out if that's a 14. Hey,
Back again.
I need another tool. Because my 14mm is too short. It's not good. Alright, gotta drain the radiator.
¿Qué tú pones
¿Qué?
el toldo ese?
Toma.
Debe no se deja el agua.
This coolant's new, so I'm going to reuse it. I think too. While I'm at it, what that thing? I'm gonna jack this car up a little bit more so that I have more room to work. So this is the exhaust camshaft. Points downwards towards the right. That's cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4.
So cylinder 2 and 3 should be up.
Okay, so it looks like we need to that exhaust, yeah.
Go like this.
Just the fat end goes in. Push it in.
Nah, it doesn't go in.
It doesn't.
Nah. Just look. Now don't fuck it up. You gotta put it in the hole.
Okay.
See?
It's like Okay.
It's like slightly.
What if I... That... Huh? That worsened it? Or did it make it better?
No, you moved it.
The other way, right? Hey, man. Shit. He hung up.
She's like, who's this fool?
Hey, man. What's up? It's me, Neff.
Hey, what's going on?
I don't know if you can see, but I started.
I can't. Oh, let me see. Hold on.
Can you see?
There we go.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Now, I'm having a problem. I got the intake exhaust showing, but this pin doesn't want to go in there.
Okay, yeah, you gotta, it's a major pain in the butt. Now, is it going in relatively smooth up to
It
the
go-
small part?
It goes up until like there, and then you can still turn the engine over.
Yeah, you get what I did online, instead of trying to use the pin, just take like a Phillips screwdriver and kind of stick it in there, and you can feel around so you can feel the actual hole.
Oh, I can see the hole. I can see it.
But it's
With,
not pushing in all the way?
with the camera, no. It's like a little bit below it. So like the hole isn't perfectly centered. Like, let me see. Will, can you get your phone in there? The camera? I'll show you right now. I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. Where is it? I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing. See it? The hole's like right there.
That's right at the very bottom of the transmission engine.
The bottom one?
Yeah, it should be down to, let's see.
No, this is the transmission right here.
Okay.
So, the second hole up top.
It should be the bottom hole.
No, it's the top one. The bottom hole's open. See?
Oh, okay.
It's the top one. So, you go up top. And then there's a...
Yeah, I saw it a second ago, but...
There's the hole. Right freaking there. But the pin doesn't want to go in all the way.
Oh, and see if there's an indentation.
So where?
The transmission, you see how there's two holes, right? It's a top hole.
Top one.
So get the phone in there and use the camera so that you can see the hole.
Like you put it Nip.
No.
Didn't work.
Mm-mm.
All right, I have
Pull
an
it up.
idea. I'm gonna keep putting pressure and just keep turning it, and then eventually it has to go in. You know.
Mm-hmm. Do you see the intake and exhaust, Will?
Papa is almost coming. But I'm saying I got it completely at the hole. Because it's not, it's an indentation. It doesn't even make, I don't know. This shit is pissing me off.
There we go.
Is
I
that
just
it?
heard a click.
Yes! That's it! Thank God!
Yeah, look, it's,
Ah!
Dude, I just thought, fuck it, like it has
God!
to do that.
it's halfway in.
Did we catch that on camera? Yes, we did! Oh, God! That crap was so annoying!
I didn't even know she did that. It's me and her first.
That's nice.
My girl gets me with in the weirdest moments. I'm like, babe, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Damn, okay, Nev. Right now, since we got this already, one by one. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I'm doing...
Like, what are you doing first?
Well, I was taking that motor mount out of the way, which I need to do.
Okay.
Because there's a bolt here. And
Yeah.
then this, I need to get out of the way.
No, but what are you doing first?
Huh?
Like, what's your plan for the first thing?
Well, we gotta lock down the cams. we gotta lock these down. I'll show you in a minute. Okay.
Friends, sister.
This is way bigger than it, bro.
So
God!
R56 style chassis
This is the same.
versus F56.
Shh.
That's not too much.
So that goes. Okay,
That's what I was doing.
that makes sense. So let me pop that.
Yeah, pop that out. Put it right there. Because that hole lines up with that one.
Okay, there we go. That goes like that. Then this one goes right there. Okay. Like, dude, I studied that book for the past like week. Well, 3 days actually. Bruh, I gotta take off the friction wheel. So, let down the engine. Let down the engine.
Oh, no,
man
you do
made
that shit, bro. I ain't trying to 10.
I got it.
You got it?
There.
I got it.
You got it?
I hope it's going to railroad.
Yeah. Let me see.
It should be able to spin. It's spin.
I need a 27 millimeter to get the tensioner out. Got
Here we go, Zeph.
It's almost out. One more bolt. There we go. A new what?
Phone cover.
I need a new phone.
These in my engine bay for a second.
Alright. This man is a proud man right here.
Yeah, he said it was broke. I'm gonna go fix it.
Pull her out. Straight up. Pop fast. I got Joey here. And Will and Josh left. She's all together. And we're good. Working like she should. Valve cover is almost all the way on. Just need to tighten these all down. Get some dielectric grease for the spark plugs. Put the ignition coils back in. Put the oil and the coolant back in. Change the water pump. Put the water pump pulley on. The motor mounts. And we'll be done. Well, she's almost ready for her first startup. Gonna put coolant in her.
And it doesn't start. I'm just kidding.
And it blows up.
And it doesn't work.